How to fix Google Classroom couldn't attach file. What you need to do is head over to Add or Create, then go to File, and then simply choose a file from your computer. For example, I've now uploaded an image. However, if it doesn't work for you and you have errors popping up, what you need to do first is clear the cache. So head over to this icon right here, go to Cookies and Site Data, click this arrow, and then delete all of these cookies. Go Done, reload, let's log in again, and then try to add the material again. Now, if it still doesn't work, make sure you go to Google Drive, sign in with the same account, and then upload whatever material you want to upload to Google Classroom to Google Drive, like this. Now, once you're done that, head over back to the classroom, go to Add or Create, and then choose Google Drive, the first one, and then simply just add what you want to add. There you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.